guys, today me and Bella are gonna be playing sand. But if you never seen her channel yet, just search Jenny Bendulo on YouTube and then you'll see her channel. We're cousins. Yeah, we both have. Her name is Bella. Okay, come on, then, and we're gonna be playing sand. Okay. Alright. First, we need to unbox it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Okay, so already here. Now let's organize it. You have to put it here on the side so it won't fall here. But actually, guys, I think I know where to put it. Oh, yeah. Sorry. No! These are just blue. Okay. No. Ay, nasaan ba? Ah! Okay na yan, girl. Okay na yan. There. Maybe we just put it at the front. Okay, now.
Sino?
Okay, that's my mom is...
Cavite. Doon sila gumagawa ngayon. Oo. Sama na papa niya.
Magkano na picture, ma?
Sa dalawa na. Pero link.
Ano ito? Okay.
Nagano ba kayo? Ma, pwede ba yun, ma? Ikaw na yung magaan sa Sabado?
Let's put it here. Yeah. Why are you doing it like that?
Ano gagawin?
Ah!
O, ikaw na lang.
Bell.
Paumaga.
Turuan ba?
Hindi ako
Mama, can you get
Naiinit na. Great.
Wait!
Pag sa office ba, pwede kahit anong araw?
Let's play it.
Kahit
Later
wala si
on, we
ma'am.
can get it naman later. Yeah, we'll just stop it.
Sabihan mo sa
Wow!
pagka-uwi.
Oh, we won't stop it at the end.
Ha?
Guys,
Alas 3.
something should go out.
Alas 4 andun na ako, ma.
Excuse, what are you
Hanggang
doing?
5 ba yun?
Okay, can I get some sand? Yeah. What should I use? Guys, first I'm using this one. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna make whatever is this well, I'm gonna make it. First, I need to...
Sinend ko na nga.
I like that. Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you. These are the orange part. It looks so cool. These are the blue parts that looks me and Grace's favorite color. And then last is the purple. I won't baliktad this because there's some sand. Okay, good. You should. Please put it on.
Yung last batch, pinupuno nila.
Wait.
Mabilis lang sila magpuno eh. Oo. 12 na yun.
Ay, hindi. Hindi pa muna. Ano pa ba?
Actually, I wanted to use that one, but okay. I won't use my hand. Okay, I'll use my hand. It's slower. Ah! Hindi yan clay. Sand. Sand yan.
Senior high?
This thing is so like... Wait, kunyari, you put so many at the top. This is how to use it properly. First, you need to put many at the top. Like that.
Ay, kanyari ganyan nila. Pag tinayo nila, mag-shape talaga.
Woo! Wow, so perfect. Well, you need to put many at the top and then slice it. Yeah, I did that. Slice the gilid. And if you're gonna do the top, see? Excuse me?
Ano lang yan? Ngayon lang pwede
Pero yung ano, yung face to face, hindi naman sila ganun.
Okay. Guy, hurry up. We're gonna put it. Three, two, one. I think I'm gonna use this bowl to the side. Sorry.
Huwag sabihin na nagsama kayo.
I can actually get it. I can get it. Look, guys, look. Wow. Yo, Gray, do it, do it, do it. Wait. Oh. Wait, Gray. Me. You can get it. I can get mine. Look. Don't get it on the stairs, okay? Look, guys, it's so cool. But now, today we're gonna smash it. 3, 2, 1. Joking, I'm not. I'm gonna put it in place. I'm gonna put it in place. Okay, this is...
Uy, kumain naman kayo. Mamaya na kayo maglaro. Oh.
So, hi guys. My little brother is there. Wait, what if he gonna this? That's okay. Okay, guys, we look at it. We did it again because me and Belle, we were eating. It's so satisfying. We cannot put it out of this green board because you know why? Oh, I forgot. I was making guys, this one. This is so satisfying. Belle! Sorry, guys. Actually, guys, put your name on the comments, and if you have a video, if you're videoing, put it on the comments. And also, wait, I think I know. And guys, did you know if you how much is your likes, subscribers? Thank you, guys. But we're not yet done. And great, you can talk. Okay, so guys. Did you know I have another cousin, and her name is Liam. Star Liam, that's the name of her video. Yeah, her videos are so beautiful. Yeah, but I still have many subscribers than her, and that's more important. Gray Brile is coming. Gray, Mama! Hide it. That's just a baby too. He's not coming here. Oh, that's it. He's very good. He's a good baby. Okay, and guys, did you know I was making a video with her, and then I told on the video, I said, first comment your account on YouTube on the comments, and then I'll subscribe to you. I even said that when I was making a video with my second cousin Liam, and that video was eating Jollibee with my cousin Liam. Well, but is it removed? No, it's not. It's not removed. Good, guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, I need the material. Let's go take that talaga material. Yeah, I just told you. I just laugh at the material. I just laugh. Okay. Excuse me, this is too messy. Then the door is open, kaya pala it's not cold. Okay, Brian. There. Oh, sorry, Gray. Saan nakabukiki? Okay. Sorry. Ding 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 ding. Ah! Wow! But it's so it break. It's so satisfying to remove it. It's a break. But it's so satisfying to remove it. Look. Look, Ben. It's more satisfying when you touch it. Kaya. Oh, so satisfying. Look, this is what satisfying is. See, it's so satisfying. Wow! Oh, no. What? Where's the sports? No. Gray, some of it spills. Gray, some of it are spilling. Wait. My eyes kanina hurt because the smoke while I'm eating. I was crying already. Too much smoke. I I said to my mom, it really hurts. Me and Gray are the same ulam, but didn't eat together. No, we're not, Belle. You are so lucky. You have tilapia and chicken as ulam. Why? But me. Where's the chicken? I thought you had chicken. Where's the chicken? What? Gray, what happened? Guys, look! Guys, what happened here? What happened to this? Look! It's perfect, but there's a hole! Yeah, there's a missing block. Yeah, we need to put it inside. Okay, now, wait one. Ah! I'm actually farting. Hey, yo! Joke! What happened here? What really happened? Look, our buildings is... Oh, let me check na inside. There's nothing, but it's strange naman. We're gonna mash this in 3, 2, 1. I hope this will be satisfying for you guys. Wait! Me. Also me. I wanna do too. I want to smash it too. Wait, let's be the same. No, we have to smash it like that, like smoothly, not like bomb. Do you remember what I did to the plant? What plant? What plant? No, not to do plant. I did like that to it. What do you mean? They don't have a plant. No, the one that's like the jelly bean eye. Yeah, and then that's it. Hey, yo, Boog! You're the one who's moving it to scare us. Yeah. I smashed it pa. No, I know just truth naman kasi. Destroyed, but that's okay. I can use this. That's okay. I can use all the materials to put back. Wait, use this. Gray, use this. So we can be the same. Oh, kanina ginugulo kami dito. Okay, guys, I really don't know what happened now. This is Braille. I'm my baby. Wait, guys. Gray, can I show her Braille? Yeah. This is baby Braille. Wow. Happy Bell. Cellphone. Wait, you might fall. No. That's my baby Braille. And this is my cousin Gray. Wait. Hey. Excuse. Mama, excuse.
Well, say
What did you do? Oh, it's okay.
Say ate. Peekaboo.
Oh, that's why, Gray. Look.
Peekaboo.
Ate, wait. No, don't do like that. I'll use the knife. No, straight. O, diba? Okay. It's okay now. Okay, guys. We're gonna put 3, 2, 1. Man, how about yours? Oh, this is mine. Wait, dapat we do it sabay and then smash it. We're doing it so early.
Okay.
Nagulat siya. Halika dali.
Hindi ka punta ka ng latita mo.
We're gonna put it on the side, guys. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. I didn't say anything. Look, this is Papa! Lo, nanggugulo naman kayo dito.
Huh?
Can you sing?
Okay, Belle, go make yours na, quickly. 3. Make yours na. But we have to sabay on doing like that. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Sorry guys. Wow, it's a color purple.
May pinto. Gray, close the door.
Nice. Wow. Okay. What will I do it? Okay, guys, let's put these away. Choop, 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 choop for now. Oh no! It's okay. Oh, let's put it there. Put here at the middle. Do you know who's Belle Mariano? That's on a TV, and it's another girl. My name is Belle, and I'm her daughter. What the? Joking! 3, 2, 1. Great, hurry up. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, let's pat it. Pat. Bro, don't need to pat. Hurry up. Wow. Bro, both of it is road. Wait. Yo! And put this on top. No. Okay, we're gonna mash it in 3, 2, 1. Wait, first get your materials. It's mine. But that's mine. I got special like this. 3. Not too hard, okay? Go! Wow. So cool.
Slice it like a cake na.
Oh yeah! A cake! AI! I have this. Okay, we're gonna smash it like a cake. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's so yummy. Yummy! It's satisfying. I'm sorry. And why do you call it yummy like yummy? Why do you call it like yummy? Yummy. Oh, yours look like a real cake. Let's cut it in pieces. Look at mine. Wow! Mine is so cool. It's a cool design. Wait! What? I'm gonna design this. And then it looks like these are the flavors. So look, the flavor inside. Oh yeah. Gonna do that and then do this whole. Yeah. Whoa! And now let's slice this. It's so sad. Whoa! Wait. I think I know what to do. Great. Wait, where's my purple? Stop. Great. I'm just gonna get a little bit of. It's stepping on me. First, let's pile up the sand. Oh no, I can't open this. Oh no. Wait. Why did you smash the one that you made? You said wait. And I'll remove all those lag pass. Remove all the lag pass. Oh, actually, that's
It's a magnetic sand.
magnetic. Hala!
Na?
No, it's not for kids.
For kids, 2 years old na yung ako.
Yo, look, 3 years old.
Yes.
Because you said magnet sand.
Sabi hindi pwede kay bra.
Magnet sand.
Kasi pakitry ba siya.
What's magnet sand? It's like a magnet, but
Ano siya na.
it's sticking. But magnet is not for up to 2.
Ano lang eh.
Oh.
Ba't mo ginagawa kasi?
Love it. Smash it too much.
Ayaw naman yan.
Great! Diba? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna cut the cake. Cut your cake. Okay, brother. Let's put a flavor. Hello, guys. I'm gonna cut my cake. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at the flavor.
Maligo ka today?
Look at the flavor. Oh, no. It's full. The
Ben.
flavor.
Did you take a bath today?
Look at my clothes, Mama. It's new.
Oh, did you use the shampoo for buto?
Hala, nasaan na pala? Where is it?
Ewan ko. Ano mo ginamit?
Oh, wala. I did. Bro, I mixed it. Oh, wow. It's still there. It's not gonna mix. It's not gonna mix. No, it is. It is. It is gonna mix. Belle, don't.
It's like a magnetic sand na.
Well, it's going to me now. I'm making something kasi. That's why. It's so cool. Yeah. Well, you'll be surprised on what I make mamaya. Oh my better! Better. Well, where is this going to leave? I don't need it. I don't need this right now. But you need it. Wow. I know mine will
Make it
be
full na. Siksik mo.
birth.
Siksik na yan.
Hello. Sorry. Oh, me. Oh, no. Me.
Tinanggal ko kasi nasuka mo.
Hello. Oh, go out. Swan. Please don't make it go to me. This is spinning naman kasi. Spinning naman kasi. Guys, don't forget what I said. Comment your name. Comment your account on the YouTube in the comments.
Put how many subscribers, likes you
No, put your account on YouTube on the comments and then I will search it and then subscribe to you. But also put how many subscribers you want.
Ayan.
Huh? Okay. Yes. You got 3, I got 3. I haven't tried this. Whoa. Act like a girl, put in my heels and wear high heels. I just can't hold your hand, you make me glow. Okay, let's do a song battle. What? You first. Let's see who sings better. Go first. Full song? Yeah. Hala, I don't know. It's up to you if you want to do the full song or not.
Okay.
It's up to you. You can do anything what you want, but pick your song first.
Paint my nails and wear high heels, you.
No, we have to say the song first. What?
Diamonds in the sky.
Okay, go. And go!
Like, shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Just have to.
Diamond see, just be happy. I don't come this out of that grave.
No, only the ones that you know.
Yeah,
not
that's
the-
one.
Okay, fine. Me first. So the first song, we have to sing 3 songs. The first song I'm gonna sing is Matadora by DJ Azul. Okay, guys, we're gonna start.
Oh,
3,
shit, that's my next.
2,
Okay.
1, go. Nesso ni no no nagate. E soli salire tanto cicate. In the moon. As si pise. To se sopti pais. Amuti di matadora. Matadora. Is na matadora. Matadora.
Done.
No, I'm doing the wrong one. Wait, I have to remember it.
Matadora. Matadora. I don't know it. Matadora.
Why is there 2 ra? There's no Tura there. Matadora.
Why did you just Matadora? Matadora.
But you said Turas there.
Oh, Matadora. Matadora. I will say a bad word next to it.
Are you done?
Okay, fine. This
No! Making this!
Ay.
Nina mo. Ate Nina! But diba is a movie? Yung Matadora. Cola. Matadora. Matadora. Now need your tower. Matadora. Matadora, Dora, it is Teresa, Sarita, Dora, Matadora. Matadora.
I'm gonna play with my baby.
Okay, done. Your turn, Belle.
Go. Go, Belle. Hate me, hate me. You wanna hurt me, raise me, raise me. You wanna chase me, chase me, chase me. Good, baby. Lies, tell me lies, baby. Tell me how you hate me. Yeah. Next. You. What turn?
Okay, I'll sing the song Sleep Well.
Sleep well. 3, 2, 1, go. Come along down the way.
Oh, not that one.
Oh, maybe this one. Can you see us? Can you hear us? Artificial facade from the fire of the God. I took at the top, but we dropped. Try to heal our heal. Couldn't wake up, but we're gonna freedom. Freedom, 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 oh, fall down. I sleep well, I dream well down. I'll play time sprouts. I am for self when the time to come. But we tried. Just want to hear. It's really that we couldn't wake up. It's fine apart.
Say
Kuya!
Kuya!
Ben, it's your turn!
Ayan na, kuya. Say kuya.
Ben, it's your turn.
Ay,
Your turn.
I'm Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, the country?
No, not the country.
Are you talking about King Kong?
Great. Look at me. Can you put the phone on me? Look. Look at me.
The one. Pak. 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 Pak.
Get kicked.
Get kicked out. Get kicked.
Hey.
Slip.
Let's just start now. Ben, let's open the cake in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's do the first one, the purple one. Now let's do the orange one.
It's not it. It's not it.
Okay, let's do the
Wait,
blue.
wait.
Don't just mine. This is mine. Get out! Get out! Ben.
This is my second one. Now let's do the blue one, the most cool. 1, 2, 3, go. This is perfect. What's everything? What happened to yours? Okay, now I'm gonna do the thing that Belle will not realize. I haven't sing my song, diba? Second one, go. What's called that again? I will. Heart attack! Burn into flames! Let me go. So, put it up a fiction side. You don't wanna burn love. If you ever did that, I think I wanna burn inside. I think I wanna burn inside. So but I will think inside, 'cause I don't wanna burn it alive. If you ever did that, I think I wanna burn. Guys, I'm done.
Napupunta?
My third song. 3, 2, 1. What should I sing? It's DJ. Hawak ko ang Brit ni Gray. Brit? Hawak ko ang gold. Or should I sing kaya? But do you know any of my favorite songs? Come along. I already sing that, no? Come along up with. I'll just sing. Buhok ni Gray. 3, 2, 1. It's the bumblebee. Great! I'm going there. I have clay, sand, sand. Great!
Naman ang haruta.
You smell like the aircon of Tita's car. I'm masusuka on you. That's because you suka on your clothes. Who wants I'm becoming him. Look at it. Ikaw naman. Ayaw. Ayan. Green. Oh my God.
Let's do the other na. Belle, look, we're gonna slice it.
Who's shouting? Who's shouting?
Great.
Who's maingay?
Kuya Gray.
Who's maingay?
Kuya.
Smile!
Kuya Ugay.
Clean up na.
Look, come on. We're gonna slice it na.
Oh, wait for me.
Mama. Hindi mo kailangan yung mangga sa ref? Mangga na matamis. Masarap.
Oh, sorry.
Masarap ko yun.
I'm doing it to my mom, not to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! I'm holding that. Okay, I'll do this.
This is the
This
first.
is our plug. No, this is my plug. Put my plug here. Where's your mga small plug? Put the plug there on top.
There.
Now you have a
I
small
got
plug.
like a cake. AI.
You hold it nang hindi nasisira. Ayun, ang galing.
Mama, not mine. I'm gonna use the. No, my mama said put the plug.
Ang
My
galing.
flag or
Hindi siya hindi siya na
Mama! 3, 2, 1, slice it.
Okay, dada, kakadede lang. Bus lang ako.
Castle. Maybe 1 slice or 2. Let's make AI video. Maybe 1 slice or 2. I'm so hungry, so I eat my various cake. I'm gonna destroy all of it. Don't destroy mine. I'm not gonna destroy this one. Look at the flavor. Wow. Oh, mine have a flavor. It's time to crush them. Oh, guys, do you know mine's had a flavor? Why Grace doesn't? Why Grace? Grace, not you, okay, Grace. Okay. And Grace, Villar doesn't have this. She's one of me and Grace's enemy. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna cut it, guys. Look, I'm gonna cut this. Wow, so it's gonna be cut. Next one. What's inside? Oh, look at the flavor! What the? Mine's about flavor. You didn't even share with me. Right? Didn't you? Okay, great. I'm gonna show you. Gray also have a flavor. Just look at this. No, I don't. Yeah, he do. I like and see what they're doing. No, don't forget it. Gray! You're doing that to your fun. This is Gray. Gray, cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut it, cut it. I'll just put this thing here first. Cut it! Wait, I'll just put it here. And while I'm gonna cut it, I put that thing there. Thanks. Okay. Well, cut it, here. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here, okay? Okay. For what? Guys, cut it. Look, okay. Guys. Oh, that's so yummy. Look. Mine's too. Both of us have it. Gray, show it to them. I'm gonna eat na. So yummy. Gray, actually, we already put it everywhere. Let's eat it. I wonder this. I love that. Well, I wonder. Don't look. Just don't look here. Just look there. Look there, Belle. Oh, it's so yummy. Look there. Wait. Do something. Look, guys, it's so yummy. It's actually not sand, but it's like sand, right? Wow. I will mix the cake. What happened to me? But don't look at me, oh.
Abang ka tuloy.
Gojido. Des la voz, la dilla, dualese, bella de, was sort of Yuradi, Hogasa, Not the No, I'm not doing the real one. I know the real one. I'm not doing
Atoy, dubad, tiyubog, dobad, dobad, daw. Di amigo, sa kapalaso. Fight you down, no te jalaso. Bachibo, sa nilalit ng seolat. Yumali,
Bel, ipitin mo na yan.
Mama. Gray naman kasi.
Ipitin mo na yan. Mag-brush ka na dito.
Yan tuloy. Yung maingay kasi.
Yung ka vitamin. Salika dito.
Wait! Ano ba yan? Wait, guys. You already heard what my mom said, right? There was so. Mama. Ray, come here. Get your phone.
Okay. I don't know why it's milk already.
Look, get your phone. Get your phone.
Dali,
Guys, look at this. Gray also have that. Touch it. It's Gray, let's have a party.
Kuya, hindi naman ang inom mo.
Party! 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 Party!
Tubig! Mga.
Party! Party! That should be in this video. Yeah. Okay, so guys, bye guys. This video is gonna end. Bye bye. Bye. We will
Okay, so remember what I said. Make sure to comment your account on your screen on the comments, and then I'll subscribe. Okay, bye.
Wala man.